In this video, we are going to be walking through the leads section of Foodie Finder. So I'm on the dashboard of Foodie Finder. If you do not know how to access the dashboard, I would take a minute and go back and watch the login video, and it will take you step by step how to access the dashboard. So from the dashboard, you see that we're highlighted on the foodie listing for Tammy's Cafe, the dummy account that we've set up for this. So if you scroll down on your dashboard, past the review section, you will see the section that says lead. Okay, and there is one lead showing here. Again, this is a sample. It says, do you offer catering? It has the date that this came in, and you will see the message right below here. Now, the nice thing about this is you don't have to go out and go into another system to reply. You can actually use the reply button that's over here on the right-hand side. So let's hit the reply button. You notice it will populate the email address that was put in when the person sent the lead to you. So you don't go have to find that information. It's right here for you. Very convenient. And we're just going to respond, yes, we offer catering. Please contact us by phone to discuss your event needs. And when we hit the submit button, it's going to come up and said successfully replied. Okay. And now that has sent the reply automatically to the person's email address that messaged you in the Foodie Finder website. It's a very easy to use lead system, and we want to recommend that you check your dashboard often and make sure that you reply to the messages that you receive.